Today we're making spring rolls. Start with some imitation crab meat that's been shredded and dried. You can store them in a paper towel in the fridge before you get going to get the excess moisture out of it. Next we're going to add a pinch of hondashi, some sesame oil, and then some spicy mayonnaise, which is just mayo with sriracha and some garlic. Mix thoroughly. Throw in some green onions and then toss in the fridge while we work on our veg prep. Up next is our vegetables. We're going for long skinny cuts on all the vegetables that we want to use, which are cucumbers, bell peppers, carrots, some jicama, and some avocados, as well as some jalapenos. You could use whatever you like, but we like this combination because it's got a nice balance of heat, sweet, texture, and crunch. Set aside your vegetables in preparation for rolling out the crab rolls. Soak the rice paper in warm water before transferring to a wet cutting board. Begin assembly by placing your ingredients into the rice paper and then rolling them out. You don't have to use all ingredients for every spring roll. You can mix and match as you like. Continue assembly until you use all of your ingredients or reach the number that you want. If you soak them for too long in the water before rolling out, they'll be difficult to handle. If that happens, you can just double up on the rice paper. These will dry out pretty quickly in the fridge if you leave them uncovered, so ensure you wrap them tightly if you're not planning to use them right away. We're cutting these for the purpose of this video, but recommend eating them whole. They're a little bit easier to handle. We're using Thai peanut sauce from another video, and we'll put the link in the description. Plate it with some fresh greens. We love this recipe for summertime when it's hot out. It's relatively healthy, and the sauce is super delicious. Until next time, thanks for watching.